What if one simple game could unite billions, break barriers, and give hope to millions around the world? From dusty streets to grand stadiums, football is more than just a sport. It is a universal language. But have you ever wondered why the world dedicates a special day to football? Stay tuned to the end as we uncover the power, purpose, and global impact of this beautiful game. Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation-building and sustainable development. And now, today's celebration, World Football Day. Theme: Football for Unity, Inclusion and Sustainable Development. This theme emphasizes a call to use football as a tool to empower youth, promote equality, and build a better future for all. World Football Day was officially adopted by the United Nations in 2024 to recognize football's global impact in promoting peace, unity, and development across nations. On this World Football Day, we celebrate the global power of football, a sport that transcends borders, languages, and cultures. Football is more than just a game. It's a force that unites people from all walks of life, promotes physical health, fosters teamwork, and drives positive social change. It plays a key role in nation building as it brings communities together, encourages youth engagement, and provides a platform for national pride. Whether played on a professional level or in local neighborhoods, football teaches invaluable life skills such as discipline, perseverance, and leadership. As we mark this special day, let us recognize how football continues to be a powerful tool for social development and a catalyst for positive change around the world. Football's influence extends far beyond the pitch. It's a sport that creates economic opportunities, builds infrastructure, and fosters a sense of national unity. Through grassroots initiatives and professional leagues, football nurtures talent, creates jobs, and encourages active participation in healthy activities. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you and welcome back. The economic and business benefits of hosting major football events. Hosting prestigious football events like the FIFA World Cup or the UEFA European Championship brings substantial economic and business benefits to those nations. These events attract millions of visitors, boost tourism, and create a surge in local spending, from accommodation to transportation and entertainment. Beyond the immediate influx of revenue, hosting major tournaments stimulates long-term infrastructure development, such as new stadiums, improved transportation networks, and better public facilities. It also opens doors for local businesses, from small vendors to large-scale enterprises, to grow and thrive. Testimonies of impact: how football has transformed lives. Testimony 1. Carlos, a youth football coach who inspires the next generation. I've seen firsthand how football transforms young lives. When I started coaching, many of my players came from challenging backgrounds. Through football, they learned discipline, teamwork, and self-confidence. Many have gone on to receive scholarships or pursue careers in sports, and it's been incredibly rewarding to witness their growth. Testimony 2. Sarah, a female football player who breaks barriers. As a woman in football, I've had the privilege of mentoring young girls in my community. Football has taught me resilience and has allowed me to break barriers and encourage others to chase their dreams, regardless of gender or background. This sport has given me a platform to be a role model and inspire others to aim higher. Testimony 3. Ibrahim, a football fan who found a sense of belonging. Football has always been my escape, especially during tough times. I've made lifelong friendships, and football has given me a sense of belonging I didn't have before. It's amazing how the passion for a single sport can unite people of different backgrounds and create lasting bonds. Testimony 4. Nia, a football administrator who champions inclusivity in the sport. As an administrator, I've seen how football can be a tool for inclusivity. We've worked hard to make the sport accessible to underprivileged communities, providing them with equipment, training, and coaching. Watching children from all walks of life come together to play the game has been one of the most rewarding parts of my job. On this World Football Day, we extend our deepest gratitude to the unsung heroes behind the game: coaches, club owner, administrators, volunteers, footballers, supporter clubs, and countless others who work tirelessly to make football accessible to all. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to making the beautiful game a force for good in the world. Happy World Football Day. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes behind football. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, Titus Ogbatera. Shalom for upcoming event. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.